Shiba. Good girl. I'm just massaging myself this morning with a Lomi stick. A Lomi stick is just a branch that I got off a tree. It's connected to the trunk on this side, and the branch goes and branches out, and any branch that's around this diameter starts to be strong enough so that when you crop the armature, this arm, it's strong enough to put over your shoulder and pull and massage yourself with. It's a self-massager. The key is to have your hand that's on the side of your back that you're trying to massage, have that hand at the bottom, so that you can relax that side of your back, that arm and that side of your back, and then the other hand goes up here, and you're able to massage yourself. Let's see if it stays. Yo. Good sheep, yeah. It really works nuts out. It's awesome. A Lomi stick, easy to make, do it yourself.